create a checkbox. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my hopefully awesome course. In this lesson we are going to create a beautiful checkbox which can be used for our app design, or even better, if you create them more and create more GUI elements like these ones right here, which stands for graphical user interface. You can sell them out in graphic marketplaces like Graphic River and make some money with it. But alright, so also in this lesson you are going to learn a little bit about paths and how to use a pen tool. And what a pen tool is, with a pen tool we are creating an icons or any vector shape which can be used for any graphic creation. We can resize them however we want without losing the quality, because we are vector shapes. Alright, okay, let's get into the checkbox creation. Let's open up a new document by Ctrl+N on your keyboard and press OK. Now let's grab our rounded rectangle tool by clicking and holding on this icon in the toolbox. Set the radius to 3 pixels on top and create a simple box by holding the Shift key to keep the proportions of the shape. Also grab this blue color which I really like. So now we are going to dig a little bit deeper into layer styles. So double click on the right side of the shape layer and we got our layer styles menu pop up. Here we are going to start with a gradient overlay. We are going to click on the gradient editor and double click on the black slide. And here we want this to be this blue good looking color, and with a white double click on it and select this blue color, but we are going to change the color to this white and blue combination. Hit OK and then hit OK. Now go to the inner shadow option and change the blend mode to normal. Change the color to white and change the angle to 90 degrees. Also change the distance to 2 and everything else make it 0. So we got our light from the top. But if you want to change something to your taste, just do it. Alright, you probably cannot see what just changed because our background color is white, but basically we just created a light source on the top of the checkbox shape. Now let's create a drop shadow. First of all, let's change the blend mode to normal. Set the opacity to lower one, like right about this much, about 21%. Angle is going to be 90 degrees, distance about 3, spread is 0, and size about 5 or a little bit less, well, around 5. And we are done with layer styles. Press OK. As we already created the backbone of our checkbox, now we need to create an actual check icon. And to do this, we are going to use the pen tool. It's the icon of the pen in the toolbox, or just P on your keyboard. Make sure the shape is selected on the top. Press Ctrl+H or Command+H on the Mac to get rid of that outline. It's really annoying. Now with a pen tool, click around here and hold down the Shift key to make it straight. Click here and then right here. That way we got our check icon created. Now we want to get rid of the fill right here and then take the stroke and we are going to make it white. Lastly, we are going to increase the size of the stroke. And I think we need to scale it down with Ctrl+T on your keyboard, and by holding down the Shift key to scale it down to make it look pretty. If you don't like how it looks and want to change some of the points, just go here and select Direct Selection tool or A on your keyboard. This way you can change the points of the shape however you want. So I hope you like this lesson and get ready for more awesome content on Adobe Photoshop in the future lessons. Bye bye.